Rather than do lots of calculations, put your data into a spreadsheet and insert formulas into the cells to automatically calculate as you adjust the figures. By using the spreadsheet, you can change the selling price or other data to learn what you would actually have to charge to realistically produce enough product to break even. To start our spreadsheet, we're going to put in our fixed expenses. And we've raised that from $10,000 a year to $30,000 a year. Because you quit your job, you're going to need some income. The selling price, the price that you were charging for your skateboards, was $40. Your variable cost, the cost of materials to make the skateboards, was $38. So to calculate how many skateboards you're going to have to make a year, we're going to put in a calculation. To do this, we put in an equal sign. That tells the computer we're going to be putting in a formula. So first we're going to put in our fixed expenses by clicking on the fixed expenses. And that we're going to divide by the money that will be left over from the selling price minus our variable cost. Click on Enter, and now we know that you have to make 15,000 skateboards. How many is that a day? Well, we're going to tell the computer again. We've got an equation. We're going to divide the number of skateboards, put in the division mark, by the number of working days in a year. So in order to make $30,000 a year with your selling price and variable cost, you'll have to make 59 skateboards a year. This may not be feasible. Now with your spreadsheet, you can start looking at your figures to determine what you're going to do. Let's say we change the selling price to $50. Click on Enter. Now we're at 2,500 skateboards that you're going to have to make a year. And about 10 skateboards a day is what you're going to have to make. This is much more reasonable. But let's say $30,000 a year is not enough for you to live on, plus your rent, plus your phone, plus other fixed expenses. So let's change that to $50,000. Now you're up to 16 skateboards a day. This may not be possible. Let's work with the selling price. What if we made it $70 for a skateboard? Now you can make 6 skateboards a day and break even. That's the advantage of putting this information on a spreadsheet. Rather than do lots of calculations, put your data into a spreadsheet and insert formulas into the cells to automatically calculate as you adjust the figures. By using the spreadsheet, you can change the selling price or other data to learn what you would actually have to charge to realistically produce enough product to break even.